Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I am going to show you that withdraw proof of this BNB free earning boot. You can see that I got withdraw right now from this website, which is equal to 0. Mean 500 BNB Satoshi I got withdraw from here. Now come to my Faucet Pay account, and here you can see that I got withdraw from here about 2 days. Now come to the website over here, and now the question is that how can you reach here. I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You need to click on start option now to start your earning in this website. You can see here we have many more channel available in this website. First of all, we have YouTube channel. Click on it and click on open now, and you can see that it will bring you over here. You just need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notified yourself upcoming movie. Then come to the website, and here we have another private channel. You also need to join this channel. Click on join option, and here where you can see now mute option, you can see here join option. You have to join this channel to be able to get free boot from here. Now Deno earning aid loot. In this way you can subscribe and join all these channels. If any channel can't open, then you just need to leave it and you have to move further to join other channel. After joining all channels, you have to click on joined option now. After joining all channel, you need to click on joined option now. Then you can see that this will bring you over here. Subscribe below channel to start earning. You have to click on it and you have to subscribe this channel also to start earning in this website. You can see that I already subscribed it and join it right now. Now come to the website, and here I am going to show you that daily bonus. Click on daily bonus option and you can see that how much bonus I got from here. Now you can see that I got 500 BNB Satoshi from here claimed successfully. Refer friend to earn even more or come back tomorrow to claim free again. Now click on withdraw referral system, earn more. You can also click on earn more option, and here you can see that watch full video and subscribe below YouTube channel to claim task bonus. You just need to click on YouTube channel option and you have to watch this video fully to claim this bonus. Now I am going to stop my video, and when it's over then I will show that how much BNB Satoshi I will got from here by just completing this task. Now stay on the video. Now here you can see that after watching this video successfully, I claimed 500 BNB Satoshi right now. Now click on my balance option. Now you can see that I have 1000 BNB Satoshi in my account right now. You can see here. Now if you want to earn a huge benefit, you have to click on referral system option, and here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person join this chat and complete all tasks, then you can generate a huge benefit and you can earn a huge BNB from your all referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to get this type of more video, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.